Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3. We'll be present about our assignment titled Ethical and Sustainable Future Technologies in Wood Preservation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Haikal bin Abdullah. My metric number is J22A0196. I will talk about the introduction of ethical and sustainable future technologies in wood preservation. Wood preservation is essential for preventing biological deterioration caused by fungi, insects, and moisture-related damage. However, hazardous chemicals that could endanger both human health and the environment are frequently used in traditional preservation techniques. To guarantee long-term durability while reducing environmental effect and encouraging safer practice, future wood preservation technologies must be developed in an ethical and sustainable manner.
My name is Sharifah Nuri Sofia binti Sa'adnan. My metric number J22A0054. Okay, for this slide, I will explain the ethical side of wood preservation. First, one of the main ethical issues is the use of toxic chemical in traditional wood preservative. These chemicals don't just stay inside the wood. Over time, they can leak and cause pollution to the soil and water. Because of this pollution, our environment is affected, including plant, animal, and overall ecosystem. At the same time, this chemical also risk to human health, especially to workers who handle treated wood and people who use it in a daily life. Last but not least, is a long-term impact. If we continue using harmful methods, our future generation may have to deal with environmental damage that we create today. So, to address this issue, ethical action are needed. One solution is using sustainable preservation methods such as heat treatment and acetylation, which reduce or avoid harmful chemicals. Ethical practice also means using certified wood like FSC, stand for Forest Stewardship Council, or Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification (PEFC) to ensure responsible forest management. In addition, protecting worker and public safety is a key responsibility in the industry. So, for overall, ethical wood preservation requires us to prioritize long-term sustainability rather than short-term profit.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is Rita Devi, daughter of Narasamur, and my metric number is J21A0947. Okay, today I will briefly talk about the sustainable future technologies in wood preservation. These technologies help protect wood while reducing environmental impact and improving long term durability. Okay, the first method is heat treatment. This method uses high temperature without any chemicals. Example included thermowood hand heat treated pine, commonly used for decking and cladding. Heat treatment reduce moisture and improve resistance to fungi and also increase the lifespan of the wood. Since no chemical are used, it is environmentally friendly. The second method is acrylation. Products such as Ecoya and Tricoya use this technology. It reduces water observation and make wood highly durable even in wet condition. So the wood can last up to 50 years and recyclable, making it is a sustainable option. Next, next are nanotechnology based preservation. This method use nano copper and nano zinc particle to protect wood. It is very small amount of chemicals are needed, which is reduce pollution and providing long term protection. Another sustainable method is bio-based treatment. These treatment are natural make materials like neem oil, tannin, and cytosin. They are biodegradable and safer for the environment, and also help to reduce dependence on synthetic chemical. Lastly, smart coating and sensor system. Example included moisture sensor and self-healing coating. These technologies help to detect damage early and reduce maintenance, and also extend the service of livelihood. So, in conclusion, sustainable future technologies in wood preservation help to extend the wood lifespan and also reduce environmental impact and support more sustainable construction practice. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Islan and my metric number is J22A0343. Okay, despite the benefits of sustainable wood preservation technologies, several challenges and limitations still need to be addressed. Economically, high initial implementation costs and limited market availability can slow down adoption, particularly for small scale industries. From an environmental perspective, some technologies, such as nanotechnology based treatments, require further research to fully understand their long term environmental impacts. Ethically, inconsistent regulations and the lack of standardized guidelines may lead to improper use or misunderstanding of technologies across different regions. Therefore, continuous research, stronger policy development, and collaboration between industry and researchers are essential to ensure a responsible and sustainable implementation.
And lastly, for the conclusions, wood preservation is important for extending the service life of wood, but traditional methods often use harmful chemicals that can affect human health and the environment. Therefore, ethics and sustainability are essential to reduce pollution, protect worker safety, and promote responsible practice in the wood industry. New technologies such as heat treatment, acetylation, bio-based treatment, nanotechnology, and smart coatings offer effective wood protection with lower environmental impact. Although challenges like high cost and limited availability exist, continue research and industry support can help overcome this issue and encourage sustainable wood preservation practice. That's all from us. Thank you.